All right, we are good everywhere. कल अच्छा सेशन लग गया था वो ये जो इंटरेस्ट रेट वाला अच्छा ड्रामा ऊपर नीचे
do okay? And the answer is technically yes, they're not going to just immediately die because they know it's the wrong time to be planted, but they're not.
All right, let's do this.
Time it feels as though analysts are out there saying it doesn't look that bad, but investors seem to have this unrealistic perspective of how quickly they can mark down revenue at the same time as they're spending on infrastructure, on real hardware and equipment. They're not saying this is on land, this isn't on data centers that they can't yet use. This is on equipment that they're using today and really returning for them, but it wasn't enough to appease the market anxiety.
Yeah. All right, good. Audio is good, I believe.
On the one hand, Microsoft and OpenAI are being sued for a burger suicide. On the other hand, Walt Disney is going to make a $1 billion equity investment in OpenAI, saying Disney wants to create the world's characters and get Disney brand historical. I guess the Disney story for now, because the lawsuit obviously is now OpenAI is something we're looking into, we don't have all the details.
You.
$1 billion investment from this iconic, from the house of in OpenAI. Is that a vote of confidence?
The system is very hard to insert something. So focus it more on what's happening with Disney right now, because they say they're the first major content licensing partner on Soar. Now, it's interesting that they're going on Soar, because many of say that at the moment, OpenAI's focus is on making image creation really easier. Maybe the Soar thing on the background is they integrate image generation into that main system, because that is where Gemini has looked so strong. And that is actually more or less because taking up our time on researching AI chatbots.
All right, the audio check before I go ahead and start speaking. Just give me a green. If audio is okay on, we are good on Zoom, we are good on live stream, we're good on everywhere. No TikTok today. I want to do TikTok. I'm a little bit tired, so don't want to do TikTok today.
Audio's good.
Audio's good. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. You. This is good. This is good. This. All right, we're good everywhere.
Really iconic IP such as Disney. It's not really the thing that's created, but if you want to then be leveraging that IP and building your image going forward, or you want to have access to Disney, this is what access you can. But yeah, this is going to have a lot of messages.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Thursday, December 11th, 9:06 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person at Win Life 10 as well as other floor at Trinity and online at SuperAreas.com. I'll be with you for next few hours, 3 hours, to make sure to analyze the market and give you my commentary. Anything I say is not financial advice, just for informational, educational, entertainment purposes only. And we saw lots of entertainment yesterday. So first 2 o'clock, then nothing happened, but from um, really 2:30 on, things were chaotic, and whole night I was up until 3 o'clock configuring my server, but I saw the lows of 382. Boxes got filled, and we are done that trade. Let's see if it goes and tests it. Now things are up, and we finally have a lower low from here. Let's take a look.
People like asking who he brought it into the chat. Because I was asked about it, and basically he's saying maybe some signs of it in the economy, but it's really hard to pick out right now. And mostly the tell you that they're not anticipating.
Okay, let's look at the night highs and low. Yesterday was I will look how low it went. You have 25 almost 800s, 25 796, 25 3 83 is the lowest. $413 move. Uh, okay. Voice is breaking. My voice is okay. Like, can you? Your voice is cutting on Telegram. Okay. I don't have any other. No charts on Zoom. Yes. Okay. That is due to this. Okay. Zoom charts are fixed. That is fixed. Audio. How can I? All right. I'll just unplug it, plug it back in.
And those who voted for a fact, hoping that big bet of the idea that the Trump tariffs are going to go through the inflation economy and then out the other door before the end of 2026. And then you have this fact when it's only going to cut once. So there's among Fed officials about what's going to happen. So it's going to be hard for any single person to come in and they could come in and get the whole committee to go along. But we don't have all this data that's going to start coming next week. And so I would say this has a very good jump on this meeting because
Okay. Let's see if the audio is good now. Hopefully, I just unplug it, plug it back in. If I audio is okay, then I can continue. I'll repeat my words. It's good now. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me start again. Good morning, Thursday, December 11, 9:10 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online. Anything I say here is not financial advice, just informational, educational, entertainment purposes only. And we saw quite a bit of entertainment yesterday with the interest rate. Nothing is happening today except unemployment claims, and they're lower. More people lost jobs. So market yesterday on 240 touched as low as the green box, the 350. So never quite came to 350, but we saw quite a bit of volatility whole night. So I was up until 3 o'clock just looking at the market and went at down as down and as 68.17. So now we have a evening session and night session combined 25,796, 25,383. Where's the price right now? 700. So right in between, very close to our R2. So it's above the base. So base is up and price is above R1 and very close to R2. Where is it? There's boxes now and ES and price right now is opening above R1 and above R1 for both markets. Both markets. Okay. So today again, there's no brief from Daniel Bay, so we're not gonna worry about it for now. So we'll jump right into it. My plan is I have to wait for 870. So expected high, upper version, because if it goes crazy, it has to test the 870. And where would I want to buy? I would like to buy still 350, but there's lots of things in between before buying. Selling seems to be closer. because we just have an R2 area. Let's see if it respects it. And our first stop before it gets to 870 will be around 800, yesterday's high. Yeah. So first stop, our pivot is where? Pivot is very close to 585, 587. So 586 is my pivot. So PP is 25, 586. And my first attempt would be around 800 to start taking a risk. That's a ninja pivot and our expected high. So NQ 800 may be the first stop. So let's see.
Disney is going to make a $1 billion equity investment in OpenAI. It will also become the first major content licensing partner on Sora, which is OpenAI's short-form generative AI video platform.
So
But anybody can make a video and anybody can make content.
You can't do it with Mickey Mouse, right? If you actually trademark content on OpenAI,
Yeah, like, you could do a play with Rithmic now and we have AI models like this out there that they will. It's going to take it into the next level.
because the boxes are now appearing on 60-minute there now. So fib boxes are there now. Any buy before 3 for हाँ जी यानी काफ़ी buy बनती है पहली buy तो pivot देखते हैं. Before pivot, my favorite number would be 570. If it breaks pivot, if it breaks pivot, if you see on 240 there's a green line going through, that is a 240 midband is there. So 570, 575. So 25, 575 is a should be the good support. But before that, even we still have R1 as a support. So it's not. There's few levels before we start thinking. So the first support is your R1, then you have pivot, then you have the 575, then you have like there's lots of levels before we. So lots of available on our thing. So yesterday was fun. It got to 6,900 and I just shorted. Yes, and that made me some.
Join me for in-depth conversations with the biggest newsmakers. Everybody must say the army has to be recognized for the people who are good.
All right. So. Let's open up my machines and let's see how it goes. So hopefully nobody lost any accounts, rather they passed it, because lots of volatility after 2 o'clock, lots. So another 13 minutes to go. Let's see which way market wants to go. My server is up 100%. All 10 trade of its are linked. Let's see if I can make the best out of it. So with one click, I should be able to trade 65 accounts. Oh, single click. I did a test yesterday. It was fine. Sent MES over 10 prop firms, and it was good. Brief on ES. 1 second. What can I give brief on ES? ES, I'm waiting for first. Give me a second. ES ki brief. ES, wait for 68.90 before you do. Expected high. Both markets expected high is, and then of course yesterday's high is 69.05. So wait before you want to sell to 68.9190. That's a reasonable short from there. So 68.90 and 25,800. These are the two selling because price seems closer to there. Buying is very far. Buying, you still have lots of things as you still have a 60-minute mid-band, which is our R1 as a support. Then you have the value area, 68.37. So quite a bit. Oh, thank you, Ji. God bless. Very nice.
रोज की ड्यूटी बन गई
बना दी है, ड्यूटी है नहीं.
ड्यूटी पा रही है जी
Yes, I am doing. I wrote a custom software to do. So it's a mix of Replicanto, mix of TradeAway API, mix of VMware. So yes, so because the Replicanto gets expensive when you have 10 TradeAways, man. It's like each license, and then you gotta buy Windows license, then you have to buy VMware. So can't log in from Take Profit. What is this saying? It may be.
वो फिर बेच रहेंगे
मैं असली ले आही एक अकाउंट पे 10 माई तो मैं कर दे सकता हूं हम 70 पे खाई में पैंठा मान सर गुड मॉर्निंग जी
Good morning, जी.
क्या हाल है जी बढ़िया
काउंट 25. तो आज का प्लान है जी 25,800. यही है. और तो हाँ हाँ नहीं कल बंद हाँ उधर ही है तकरीबन. और ES का प्लान है 68.90 का. अभी तक तो 2 सेल के प्लान है. बाई के तो अभी बड़े लेवल पड़े हैं. पिवट पड़ा है.
पिवट कितने है
पिवट 587 586 यस 25,000. हाँ हाँ बहुत नीचे है पिवट. एक मिनट. ES तो ES का है. एक सेकेंड जी अभी बताता हूँ मैं. ES का पिवट है 55 तक 54. अभी बहुत नीचे. अब अभी पहले नाइट हाई टेस्ट हो जाए ना 90 800 800 ठीक है क्योंकि देखें 796 नाइट हाई है तो मैं 800 से स्टार्ट करूंगा. हेलो जी. So 25,800. So कल मैंने घर जाते जाते भी कुछ अकाउंट कर ही दिया हो. मैं क्या फिर लो जी सर सारे रेडी ने. सारे 10 ते 10 रेडी ने. टेस्ट कर लिया.
अच्छा आपकी कर ले टेस्ट
हाँ जी. Where is it going? Yes, it's heading to arts too. So my master will become Apex. All right, machine number 1. Where is my master account?
आपके पास
है
मास्टर अच्छा मास्टर बना दे
Master is the Apex. Then you have everything else between my funded futures number 2, alpha futures 3, elite traders, not elite, legends traders 4, Tradeify 5, take profit 6, Purdia 7, funded next 8, lucid 9. 10वां केड़ा भाई
35 में
35 भी हो गया.
Funded नहीं.
My funded future. All right, let's see if I mess it up royally or not, but still have my trade of its back up open. in case 10 windows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, trading them in a group by one window is okay, but trading them to do, that's why sometimes the one has made $50, other one has made different. But 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Groups them together. 21. 7 minutes to go.
आपके टिम हॉर्टन्स के कार्ड मेरे पास पड़े हैं।
हाँ पढ़े, अभी मैंने देने टिम हॉर्टन को बांटने हैं आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, जो आता जाएगा आके लेता रहे अपने. If you live out of the city, then you tell us. We'll arrange something to send you a picture of that Tim Hortons card if you pass your test back in July. 6, 6, 5, 5. So right now is the pure production test to have 65 accounts with one click. So wherever I entered, so
Fix that thing?
क्या चीज? हाँ लगा दिया सर्वर. सुबह में 3 बजे सोया हूँ, मेरा आज मूड को नहीं था आने का. मैं फिर पूरा एक ट्रेड डाल के टेस्ट करके सोया.
So it's good, right?
We'll find out. It's always good on theory, but when you really push 65 accounts, and by the way, as a disclaimer, these are all my accounts. These are all my companies. I'm doing it from a single data center. So it's not something that I have added other people's accounts. This, I don't trade for anybody else except myself. And so just my accounts. So Rithmics are separate. So I'm keeping my Rithmic accounts separate, and these trader weights are all linked as a one bucket. So it's called a cluster. How much RAM is being used since every machine is online? SuperAreas. Good. Port forwarding, it works. No Brave. Okay. My data center is saying summary. 10 machines are running. No cluster defined. I'm using 6% of the CPUs, 96 CPUs, and 65% of the RAM. 1 second, my arm is so 163 gigs is being used, and out of 250, and 800 gigs out of terabyte. एक मुझे भी दे ही दीजिएगा यार. Like we get. First pullback is done, by the way. पहला pullback done है, 2 पॉइंट मिल चुके. कल है ना प्राइस आई सी की, फिर पुल गए. मैं क्या यार आज इतने ले लड़. आई नो लेकिन वो लगाया था ना. हाँ प्रॉफिट में निकलता था. मैंने क्या किया, मैंने टीपी
ब्रेक इन पे था मैं तो हटा दी मैंने को
हाँ
यहाँ पर 5 दिन का मैं लैपटॉप जल्दी ला गया तो 430 मार्केट से मैं एक अकाउंट ही
मैं 9
हाँ मैं तो क्या ना सोने ना
बिल्कुल मेरे बच्चे की वजह से सुबह घर पे था नहीं
अच्छा अच्छा
all right let's go so I requested another payout last night 10 days were done तो देखें क्या होता है so the
When I visited Commanders at IMAX in City outside Toronto, we went to the facility where IMAX designed and maintained its brand. The latest next-gen equipment comes out with directors on film on IMAX sector, but there was still plenty of full gear unveiled. As the head of the finance department, we looked at all the things in the thing and think, this costs that amount of money, this costs that amount of money.
so, let's see it's coming down to test R1 first let us see 1 minute to go before the market opens कल यार वैसे इंटरेस्ट रेट नीचे गया मार्केट ऊपर मार्केट भी नीचे ले गया यार बड़ी बात है यस इस वक्त 3 बजे तक देख रहा था वो सर 60 380 400 अरे नहीं मैंने कोई ट्रेड नहीं लिया मैं सारा टाइम लगा से नो सर्वर नो मैं क्या एक बार ही ट्रेड लाऊंगे ताकि ये प्राइस आंधी एक बार ही है ना all right so it's opened now डैडी है कुछ भी नहीं है ओपनिंग पे भी स्पाइक नहीं है we're inside R1 पहली सपोर्ट टेस्ट हो रही है R1 हाँ पीपी आएगा उसके पहले उसके बाद आ रहा है नहीं मैं पिवट नहीं ले रहा मैं इससे नीचे ले रहा हूँ 570 575 240 का मिड बैंड पिवट वैसे देखते हैं पिवट चल गया कि नहीं हाँ ना दिया पिवट को टेस्ट कर रही है वैसे हाँ पिवट को हैमर करने की कोशिश हो रहा है पिवट 586 10 पॉइंट दे गया पिवट वैसे पिवट इज 10 पॉइंट्स डाउन जब यार ओपनिंग के इतनी करीब हो ना तो पिवट से डर ही लगता है दे सकती है कोई ऐसा मसला नहीं है लेकिन
470
मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ इसका 570 का अभी थोड़ा सा और नीचे आ जाए
S1 तो वैलिड नहीं रहेगा ना क्योंकि ऑलरेडी इट्स बीन हिट ट्वाइस लास्ट
नहीं वो तो मॉर्निंग के एरियाज ठीक है मिड मॉर्निंग S1 कोई मसला नहीं ले गए जी वापस ऊपर first pull back done first pull back done जी yes correct yes 6 पहला ट्रेड डन हो गया ES का फर्स्ट पुल बैक एंड NASDAQ pivot tested though. तोड़ना चाह रही है पिवट को.
And they actually put society exchange it in the process. There was a bubble surrounding her civilization. It was accelerated and openly financed. Bringing Vivania Fondari, Deputy CIO of Solutions and Multi-Asset at Morgan Stanley Investment Management. On a great call here. Thanks for joining. I heard someone today say, you know, there's maybe a funding bubble, but it's not about the fundamentals of the use case.
$570 आ जाए जी थोड़ा सा आके टेस्ट हो जाए. मॉर्निंग के सेशन मेरा ऑर्डर पिक हुआ है 570 पे.
मेरा भी 570 पे है.
ओ रुक जा 70 मिड बैंड लिया इस 5 हो गया. मैं एंटर हो चुका हूँ 10 पॉइंट का टीपी के साथ. डन. आई एम डन. 57 हो गया जी. डन हो गया. डन 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 डन. ट्रेड इज डन. 570 से 580 डन है जी. निकल गया. वेरी गुड. 10 पहला राइट अवे एंट्री तो हो जाना यार कुछ. $100 जी. कंग्रेचुलेशन जी. जिसने ले लिया वेट कर लें. 15 पॉइंट डन हो गए. डन डन. 20 भी आए हैं 570 से. अब ये जा रहा है. अब नेक्स्ट बाय हमारा बनेगा जी. वेट करें अगले बाय का S1 पे. अगला बाय बनेगा 500 पे. 490 500 पे. गुड. डाइवर्जेंस ट्रेड है. 570 बड़ा प्यारा टेस्ट हुआ एंड डन हो गया जी. 30 पॉइंट दिए उसने. गुड गुड गुड. 570 देखें दोबारा जाके टेस्ट कर सकती है. नाउ इफ इट ब्रेक्स दिस 570 then our next entry would be I'm taking 590 585 somewhere there. प्रेशर डाउन है तो इसको नीचे ही आना चाहिए. लेकिन लेट्स सी.
In terms of packages being shipped to the U.S.,
I think we have an issue with the current tariff policy. Firstly, the world is organized by sectors, and the current policy is continental. So I feel that's part of this presentation. It's an easy you can your time.
It could technically first stop at 528 जो कल का लोअर हायर लो बना हुआ ना. लेकिन वेट करें अभी. Better entry would be near the S1. Let's see.
50% almost. Why do we need these intermediate bids? Because our manufacturing stock is depleted. So if you want to really start bringing manufacturing back in the US, you need the capital stock, which equals the intermediate bids.
Pull back up, लेगे जी, लेगे.
So I think that's the issue, and it's just to kind of add electronics, pharmaceuticals,
So R2 is coming first time, very close to true night high. Let's see. R1 R1 हम तो वैसे ही R2 पे है सर, R1 पे नहीं है जी.
R1 पूरे 30-35
R1 ES का R2 है, NASDAQ का R1 है, फर्क है जी. Still not decided. Let's see. First click went. And 102. This is good. This is good. This is good. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. ठीक है. $65 accounts got traded. 100%. One guy left behind. Why? Legends. Why? Legends got left behind, but Legends, भाई तुम्हारे साथ क्या हुआ? Why are you left behind? But everything else. So port 108. Why are you having problem? Okay. Good. Every single account got traded. One. है? Same price. अब मैं जाके check करता हूँ. पहला trade मेरा हो गया. So let's see if my 1188, 9, 8. Pretty close. 2 tick का फर्क रह गया. But every account got traded. Perfect.
इसमें कितने up to कितने अकाउंट कर सकते हैं?
Now I can do 500 accounts. हाँ मेरे आपको sky is the beginning. मुझे आप कंपनी देते रहे, मैं stack करता रहूँगा. Like so, this machine, which is almost 10-12,000, should be able to do easily 20 times 20, 400 accounts. No problem. This will give me 400 accounts to देगी बिल्कुल. So there you go. That's a business model right there.
मुझे तो माइक्रो में भी लगे रहो.
माइक्रो में मैंने किया सर, पहला ट्रेड माइक्रो डाला, 2 पॉइंट लिए एटीएम लगा के, तो माइक्रो में डन हो गया हूं मैं.
All your hard work, Rafi भाई.
No, it's you have to understand. I would like to, make sure that it's all about efficiency, right? Beautiful. आजा नीचे आजा. Okay, let's see if it goes and tests R2 one more time for ES. We'll decide later. बहुत एकदम 10-20 थोड़ा सा वो उसमें है वॉलेटिलिटी है जी. So this is my another test on the 10 machines. My entry on Apex came at 68.75. देखें ये देखो सर. This is ये ट्रेड में तो नहीं. Yeah. माजिद भाई आप भी देखना चाहें तो देखें. ये देखें ये लीडर्स अकाउंट है. ठीक है तो एंट्री आई है 68.75 पे. ठीक है 68.75 68.75 68.75 75. So all 65 accounts got picked up with
Nice.
it's pretty powerful. So let me add another trade. I don't have to click anymore 20 times. Let's add it.
विक्रम खामोश बैठा हूँ.
नहीं अभी कोई मार्केट किसी तरफ गई नहीं ना. Yeah, 65% usage of RAM, 10% on CPU. So we are pretty much within buffer.
Disney had a $1 billion equity investment in OpenAI, includes a licensing deal to allow characters on Sora.
NASDAQ pivot पे जरा बैठा हुआ है और
Disney is paying OpenAI characters on the platform.
let me see if everybody took an order. Two. Yes, everybody took an order. Flat and all. Closed. Good. 100%. 100%. There's working as I expected. सिर्फ माइक्रो से टेस्ट करना होता है ना. So now I'll put it on my machine so you guys can witness it. So this is rock solid यार. बड़ी मेहनत हुई है इस पे. मेरा बाजू टेस्ट हो वो लेके जा रहा था ना उसे. वो जो यूपीएस इतना भारी था ना तो आई दिस अशर स्नो मेरा ख्याल है साफ कर रहा था. मैंने कहा अशर आई show you. So
Trump confirmed hit whole countries. ये देख whole countries. You mark after denying it. 2018.
Very hard to avoid this kind of thing. So one thing you can do is start every 2 or 3 weeks. So
oh यार this is freaking amazing.
Are you still taking 500?
सर मैं हाँ नीचे पहले इसको ये उसका टेस्ट आ रहा है.
ये मुझे निकालने आ रही है दरअसल. पता क्या बातचीत हुई.
आ जाए जी आ जाए आपके लिए आ जाए जी, हम आपके साथ खड़े हैं.
anything in the hair is only focused on producing that feedback is really warm. if you deadhead your current job, you'll end up making the plant look a lot better, but also there'll just be more grooves. So you're going to be forced to stay very groomed. So that's a way to repair.
सिर्फ अपने एक मॉनिटरिंग सेटअप चाहिए कि मुझे एक एक देखना नहीं पड़े कि यार क्लोज क्लोज, वरना मुझे एक एक स्क्रीन पे जाके सिर्फ देखना पड़ता है कि क्लोज हुए. यस, इट इज ऑल डन. Oh, I'm so happy, damn. This was a theoretical experiment, meaning that it exists, everything exists good on paper. Just remember that. Until you start testing, the technology is always good on paper. So I'm not taking R1 as a base on ES, guys. I'm waiting truly to 490. Yeah, वहाँ जानी चाहिए. माजिद भाई आपको शायद निकाल दिया अब.
Let's go ahead to this. It's surprising that you're using with your segmental level and are your direct to endorse ours, a small glass jar with a tight fitting lid, and your carrier oil with it. First carrier oil for skin and hair and the whole bunch of food, and that's because it's
On the futures desk, I'm closing it. I'm done my target. इसका टारगेट रह गया जी
90.7.
You're going to fill your jar 3/4 of the way full with some dried calendula, then add in a little bit of candle that I had hanging around this infusion. And you're going to fill your jar with your carrier oil.
लिया जी 90.
हाँ जी 90.1.
90 से एंटर है. 5 पॉइंट मिले हैं
10 मिले थे.
आपको. मिले
निकले
नहीं लिए. Come on, 10 नजर आए थे हमें. मैंने नहीं लिए अभी. Come on, get up. 90 से मुझे पॉइंट दिखे थे, मैंने लिया नहीं. 10 पॉइंट ले लिए जी किसी ने 90 से. गुड जी, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. A bottom range of, it should be okay.
Chemical variants that actually cause more drainage from cracking than more you use it. So making your own analysis oil, let's go in it. Let's get all those healthy oils, fats, and fats. So here's my basic 3 ingredients with pasta. You're going to use 3 parts of your candle infused oil, 1 part beeswax. I do tend to put a couple more pastilles in there just because I like a little bit more of a color on. 1 part powdered butter, which just means that
10 points done हुए थे जी. Done. 10 points were done. I did not take it. I'm in micros. अब done. थोड़ा सा.
you're going to get your double boiler. Down first because it takes so long. Once it's melted, add in super chill butter because if you do, it'll start to get cold. So once the say is about 90% of the
Perfect.
just whisk it around a bit to get
आपने एवरेज तो नहीं की ना?
नहीं.
आप माजिद भाई एंटर नहीं हुए
कहीं म्यूजिक में निकल गया
हैं? एंटर नहीं हुए. वो फिर एक ट्राई कर लें यहाँ से. हाँ, एक ले लें. हाँ.
75 पे हूँ मैं.
ठीक है
How you can use all that beautiful calendula that you're growing or you're starting to grow, and you have fun with it. So much fun.
I mean, there's a thing about favorite channels here. But sometimes it's challenging to get them in your garden. These videos, Rick was going to go over a little bit of that plant with that.
The gardener in the Western Hemisphere, then you know what this two or third hummingbirds will look in your garden. And for me, I normally see hummingbirds a few times a day. But everyone tells us I still find so special because these little birds are zippy, they're vocal, very curious, and just so beautiful.
should pull up now. I think it's arrow के करीब है. Should pull up to S1 S2 के level. FTMO से बाहर आ गया. Very good. चलो that's a great sign.
Most species of hummingbirds are migratory, so if you live in a northern climate, you're only going to see these birds around warmer months because
दोबारा निकालने आई है
S1 के bottom से भी लिए हैं जी 10 पॉइंट.
इसमें से निकाल दे.
होगी अभी. आप बहुत लेट एंटर हुए. मैं 90 पे हूँ. मैंने 10 पॉइंट दिए थे, मैंने लिए ही नहीं. माइक्रोस कर रहा हूँ मैं.
And I actually have a friend who lives close by who has a fantastic garden that features hummingbird plants. And I suppose they're currently in spring, so let's head over there and see the spring.
ओ भाई चढ़ जा. है जी S2 आ रही है. S2 is coming guys. S2 के नहीं अभी नहीं है. एवरेज करनी है, दूर करेंगे हम इसको. अगर अब FTMO से तो बाहर है ना. ले गए. S2 is done officially too, by the way. 432 the dot गई है यार. My God. अब ले जाएंगे यार इसको ऊपर. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਛ ਐਵਰੇਜ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਵਿੱਚ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮੈਂ 460 ਤੇ ਦੇ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਆ ਗਏ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ. ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਇਵਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਣਾ,
ਓਕੇ
ਫਿਰ ਉੱਥੇ हाफ रिड्यूस कर देना. 10 पॉइंट S2 से डन जी. ट्रेड डन हो गया. फर्स्ट पुल बैक टू. अच्छा ये सेकंड है. सॉरी, मार्केट इज मूविंग वे टू फास्ट. अब निचला नंबर वेट करें जी. अब 25,400 का, या कल का लो है, नाइट का लो है 382. सो
This is our air setup, or the late hour. Very beautiful. But the flowers are just finishing. Not so quick because
no, it's just, it could go test the 382.
so beautiful. Their colors, and the hummingbirds love it. And we did my garden. It goes really well with this sweet salvia. We have a subtle carpet with its brilliant glory flower. And these are really easy to start some seeds. I started them 4 years ago, and this may be one of them.
लेकिन 60 थे आई नहीं सही. अच्छा 400 guys, bottom range of ये कर लिया. ਤੁਸੀਂ ऑलरेडी 2 ਤੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਹੋ.
I'm at 43 now.
वेट करें. 4
सीधा टेस्ट करके ना फिर
So all of these plants are perennials. But then if you look up here, where the veggie garden, we've got annual favorite, Mr. Shop. After taking a look at my friend's garden, I'm feeling really inspired to incorporate more plants.
से ना निकलता मैं
बस जब 680 पे थी तो आप कह रहे थे बस निकल जाए किसी तरीके से, ये प्रॉब्लम होती।
Something like this, we can see the Vivian fuchsia. That's beautiful. Look at that. And I think the fruit is edible. Can be grown from seeds, so it is suitable for your garden and what to do.
आपको निकालने आएगी आपकी एवरेज में, आप रेडी रहिएगा। 43 पे बस आने वाली है।
And there's another color here. This is Isonia Lugata with the fire chopper vine. So this one, although it's not hardy in my zone in food, it's a great and really good one if you live in a hotter climate. But if you want more options, there's also trumpet vine, pineapple, and one of my overall favorites, which actually flowers in the winter. And also got to this odd plant home. So this is a cultivar of the reindeer or Leonardus, which is in the Lane or mint family. Now, in the past, I've grown a species that got to be about 6 feet tall. This one is something that's a bit more challenging, but I know it's going to attract a lot of hummingbirds because it has these long, tubular stems. And hummingbirds visit these plants well into the fall. So I have a flower place.
Another mid band. फिर नीचे टे गए।
It's quite large, but I actually grew it from a cutting that I got from my friend that we just visited. This monster, the salvia, is
SRES 1510, let's see. Bottom range of 400 चल गया जी, 400 पूरा।
If you're looking for salvia and you don't have space for something like this, and you want those red flowers, then salvia elegans or pineapple fish is a wonderful option. So I have a very
All right, 10 o'clock candle opened. Let's see. Oh, ज़्यादा push नीचे आ गए, अगली candle नीचे खुल गई. But I think we are done the bottom range.
So I do my Avocado, which is orange flower a few years ago. And it's
382 है जी अगला night का लो. 400 area is done though. If you took 400, you're done.
And there are so many different ones, different cultivars available, even though it's a lot of flowers. Now, it's really good these plants is that they do well in dry, well-draining soils, in full sun, and they're really easy to take care of. Also, in the mint family is the genus Rafay, which offers a lot of options. And if your soil is a little bit more moist, it has really showy and very beautiful. They come in different colors, and it's not only attract hummingbirds, they also enjoy by bees and butterflies. I don't know how many birds that is, but do well in the sun.
आपको दिया इसने मौका निकलने का भी? No. Average नहीं करनी चाहिए अगर.
For the dry soils and the cut it out for moist soils, and it also takes fuchsia or Purdia. It also likes that full sun and moist soil combo. If your garden has some busy spots, you can still offer some beautiful green trees and hummingbird. So one plant that is oftentimes overlooked is Purdia or fresh orchid. Now this is a later blooming flower, and the flowers very tropical looking for not too tropical setting, and we do like moist soil. Most of the plants that we talked about are predation perennials, meaning they don't have to back at the end of the year, and then they come back when it's spring again. But if you're looking for a plant that has a bit more substance, more presence throughout the year, there are some great flowers that
Another. Let's see if it pulls back up. We entered one micro at 490 and one at the bottom. My average is again 442. आपने एक माइक्रो और डाल दी, आपके 3 हो गए, हम दोनों के 2-2 माइक्रो. ये 440 पे निकाल देगी, आ गई. फिर वहां से हम आगे 440 वाला तो आ गया, बस थोड़ी सी पुश और चाहिए।
During the colder months when, especially northern growers don't really see what's going on in the garden. Other great shrub options that also sponsor the winter include a whole bunch of manzanitas. They're relative.
अरे भाई रेडी रहिएगा, 440 पे हमने निकलना है।
One of my favorite native shrubs, all Oregon grape, and one of those hybrids related to
मेरा 43 है।
निकल जाए। ठीक है, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। अब वहां से मैंने एक माइक्रो छोड़ दिया है, मैं वहीं से इन हूँ जी, मैं वहीं से इन हूँ जी, क्योंकि अगर एवरेज आई फिर नीचे जाके देखेंगे ना, 40 वाले तो निकल गए अब जा। थोड़ा सा और पुश दे दे, मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा तुझे।
Recommendations would be
ब्यूटीफुल, पुश इट अप।
that exist.
अब उसको और दोबारा नहीं एंटर करते यार, थोड़ा सा तो ले लिया। हाँ, ले लिया,
एंटर हो गया।
ठीक है जी।
You go off in the garden with a plant that is 8 to 8 direct. I mean,
करो थोड़ा सा रिप्लेस करे।
नहीं वो ठीक था, लेकिन ये इस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटीज ना आपको लेनी होती है राइट अवे, क्योंकि जहाँ एवरेज की
this beautiful plant as well as many others.
चिंजा में
These next methods, how they ramp in the garden. I can show you how to grow it in the video as well, how to harvest it for a bunch of different purposes. This is very cool.
56 है मेरी।
Green, meaning without exhaustion or the immortal plant, named because these don't really wither away. They have a lot of staying power for taking great stores of haze, dry flowers, plentiful in preparations.
जो निंजा ने वो टिकट वाला एरर दिया था, तो अब मैंने ट्रेडोबिट से जाके बंद किया। पता नहीं क्योंकि अड़ गए, निकल गए, मैं अब दूसरे में से निकल दिया। यस,
दूसरे से निकल।
एक्सलेंट। किसी ट्रेड में तो नहीं है ना कि कहाँ सर है तो सर निकाल ले। अगर इसने दोबारा जाके रीटेस्ट की ना तो अभी चार सौ किसी ने ली तो 60 पॉइंट ले लिए जी, क्योंकि जहाँ आप एवरेज की हम मिडल में आए हैं, कहाँ से चल रही है वहां से आपको दे जाएगी कुछ पॉइंट। इतना घबराना नहीं है मेरे साथ बैठ के यार। माइक्रो करेंगे तो नहीं घबराइएगा, मिनी में मैं आपको कुछ नहीं कह सकता।
वैसे हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीक तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट चेंज करेंगे,
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट 15 को कर रहे हैं।
15।
घबराना नहीं है।
And pop music's #1 hit maker
Should go all the way to
is a non-stop party.
50 पॉइंट्स दो माइक्रो के साथ, वेरी ठीक है। मैं भी अभी निकलने लगा हूँ। क्लोज नाउ।
प्रॉप शॉप जो होने के लिए 420 तो बैठा सीगा।
Good. I took $100 on every account.
Good job.
$100 on every account, so 6,500. One click.
Yeah.
I didn't have to click. बीच में एक दफा ट्रेडोवेट का मसला आया, so $100, so one click, so all 65 accounts are traded. Good, perfect.
Very colorful. Would be a great thing to plant maybe at the back of the corner or just to add a little texture and height to the garden. But then you get to my second favorite over here, and this one is a full version of the
ओके जी, जाने दें ऊपर, अब जाने दें। 490 वाले भी आ गए। अगर आपने एवरेज नहीं इतनी जल्दी की तो ब्रेक इवन हो गया आपका। 490 वाले भी बाहर आ गए हैं। प्लीज डोंट डू एवरेज ऑन माइक्रो मिनीज दैट क्विकली यार, इतना पैसे नहीं होते। और आपके अगेंस्ट गई तो माइक्रोज में वाले में निकल आए हैं यार। प्लस
निकालने आई थी
सर एक ही दफा वो उसमें ज्यादा चांसेस। कल वाला 382 टेस्ट किया उसने सर। लोग I wrote my custom software for Ninja script similar to the student remote learning. So instead of across global, I'm just copying the trades local. अब गई जी सर मेरे ख्याल से जितनी लिक्विडिटी करनी थी कर दी सर अब ऊपर रेड बॉक्स भी आ गया ट्रेल करें जी अगर कोई 400 से बैठा है ट्रेल करे यार और क्या करना है नहीं अभी नहीं आया अब उसमें 30-20 में आया
ES पे है
Good.
Take hard time planting them deliberately in something like one of our epic pixel trades. So I tend to
अब इसको थोड़ा सा रेड बॉक्स से रिट्रेस लेना चाहिए
do this. So what I would recommend is just making a self assessment and then just tapping with like 7 right? So it's very, very delicate. And then you want to barely cover them.
There you go. 1 micro, yes, 1 micro is really, really powerful. I don't have red boxes 30-20 पे देखें जी वहाँ की बात कर रहा हूँ इतनी बड़ी ES की स्विंग आई है तो रेड बॉक्स एंड रेड बॉक्सेस ऑन MES में 60 मिनट पे भी आए हुए हैं एंड इट्स गोइंग अप तो ले गए जी 400 से 550 तक यार बैठना होता है ट्रेड में इतना मसला नहीं है All right, so it filled 37 top or bottom of the value area, and that's where it went on ES.
You can get into the spinning process, which is really algorithm. So what you want to do when you are transplanting your SuperAreas,
जी congratulations ये अगर आपने ले ली हैं very good. अब मैं अगली किसी का वेट करूँगा S1 done जी beautiful 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 200 500 हर तरफ आए
you look at these cool stems. This is about 2 feet apart. And that's the spacing I would recommend. Or you go
सर 400 से 600 तक 200 पॉइंट और बैठा रहा करें यार पता नहीं क्यों घबराते हैं यार जहाँ जिस ट्रेड में फंस के वहाँ एवरेज पे ब्रेक इवन करके वहीं से बैठ गया वन मोर
आपको बड़ा अच्छा
यार इतना कोई घबराना नहीं है माइक्रो पे नहीं हम घबराते यार लेकिन आपकी एवरेज बहुत लेट आपने जल्दी जल्दी की आज फिर हम दूर करें यार अगर ना रुकते नहीं नहीं 70 पॉइंट के बाद माजिद भाई ने एवरेज आपका अकाउंट साइज पे मैं 1 माइक्रो से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ ये गुड 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 मुझे हैप्पी है आपका FTMO निकल गया है
this type of look that I think is really cool. I've got these guys hanging over here, transplanting over here. I really like that look. So I did not first.
Hello? Hello? Oh, mid-band first pullback. Pass, very good.
कल काटनी थी
जैन ने FTMO क्लियर किया है
हाँ जी हाँ जी
ये 100
इसने किया है 100 मेरे ख्याल 50,000 वाला वेरी गुड जी रिजवान भाई वन टेक प्रॉफिट डन वेरी गुड ऑसम जॉब
And you want these flowers to be
64 से ही चली थी ना वहीं आ गए
open. You want to do it the right way. Well, what you can do is then trim off all of these and then hang dry. You can tie all of your amaranth in bunches, much like you would do with like drying peppers. Without here in the garden, you have like tons of dried peppers. You can just cut a little bit of this off and then dry this. Hang it upside down. You want to dry it for a couple weeks. It'll be nice and dry. The color tends to stay quite a while. Remember that. Why it became immortal for a reason. That's one way to do it. But you might also want to try to get for its way for speed. We believe amaranth has sort of a pseudo grain. I did it last year, and it went through quite a
All right, back to pivot now. Let's see. देना तो चाहिए कितनी पुल बैक आ रही है वहाँ
This is how you do it. The easiest way to have a first start this here would be to put like a stick or a column down and help you texture. So you'll see more about the figure you get. You want to grip it with your fingers, just like this, around the twisting herbs. And then what I do, just to give you a small pass, is I come through and I just rub it between my hands, and that kind of breaks up all these little flowers and gets that seed out of it. So what you'll notice, it's the tough part about it, again, my experience, why it's kind of a harder process, like I mentioned, is you get a mixture of seeds, which are these tiny, tiny little circle guys right there, and tiny little flowers. Both are pretty lightweight, but the seeds are heavier. So the secret here, to really filter it out, is to get it down into one corner of the bowl, maybe, and then you lightly blow it. And if you do it right, you've got this little corner full of seeds. So this is an ancient process called winnowing. I'm not doing it fancy way here. It's pretty but
फिर लॉन्ग कितना था एफटी मतलब
so when you're
लॉन्ग कितना सी
either at night and the
निकल
really want to get away with
पालन चाहिए तीन
प्लान
मिनट
कर रहे हैं क्योंकि
did this this week, a couple
इन
days
पालन चाहिए थे लोग इन लोग
है ना?
थे
हाँ उसमें उसमें दिमाग के दे नहीं करते
you have to be very careful. Very light wind will get rid of it. So that's the way to do it. You will then have a nice clean amount of fluid,
मैंने रखे थे हाँ के पास
material grain or foragey type.
हाँ जी R2 का वेट करना yes का
One day what we do, I like to leave it here and just let the birds go to town on it. Let the other animals go to town because there are so many seeds, so much nutrition right in this plant. So you leave it here. I've got this one, a couple ones over there. And you start to see the birds, little guys, start to make a little nest in here maybe, or they will start to lunch. We get a lot of extra nutrition, so it helps bring some more biodiversity back to the garden. That's what I focus on a lot in this backyard patch this year. Is all these pollinators, my native milkweed, my amaranth, some of my it's all
धान बिल्कुल हो जाती है
मैं बैठा हूँ
नम हो जाती है नहीं ये
and then leaves it up for birds, the bees, insects. So it's a fantastic setup. So it's beautiful. You could all be growing annually. All food can be found on the campus. Good luck in the garden.
क्या स्पीड में जा रही हो पिवट लोगे
लेना चाहिए थोड़ा सा रखना चाहिए
585 है
ने मेरे साथ वफा की है रात को नाराज हो गई थी मुझसे कि मैं वहां आई तू क्यों नहीं निकला हैप्पी सही कहता है मुझे डार्लिंग है
Even if you just have a balcony or a small backyard, or even a basketball court, like where Rich started, Blue started.
एक बात है रात नाइट पर बैठ के ट्रेडिंग आ गई क्यों सर जी फियर खत्म
यार माइक्रो में किस बात का फियर माइक्रो में फियर है फिर आप अनइंस्टॉल करें
माइक्रो में हम दिल नहीं करता था और अब देख ले
नहीं वॉलेटिलिटी ज्यादा है ना वॉलेटिलिटी बहुत है मीनिंग उनके लिए जो जरा हौसला रखते हैं और 5 पॉइंट के लिए जाएंगे
क्या मतलब पावर देखो माइक्रो की वाह आई होप के लोग समझ जाएं इस चीज को माइक्रो में भी 5 ट्रेड आप कर रहे हो $100 आपका आराम से बढ़ रहा है एक माइक्रो के साथ
100 मांगे सारे कौन
वही मैं क्या ना
100 150 160 कहीं के लिए
By explaining to us what square gardening is and the benefits it can offer to be given in gardening for life.
Absolutely. And, I think the best way to give you an overview of what basic gardening is, we'll get into more detail as we go on, but let me tell you a little bit more about my journey to the spreading here with gardening. That was what I did, and about what I was my training. And that's where I was right from the IC industry.
बताओ क्या वही हमारे प्रॉब्लम
kind of reach out. Because really the only area we are that's around 6 to 8 hours a day is that's the our sons and me too. And I use really well. So
हेलो सर लिया कोई ट्रेड
हाँ बेटा
ठीक है
याद नहीं बनाया चल चले 50 में बनाया मास्टर अकाउंट से नेशनल को नंबर बंद है
सर अभी तो
कुछ भी नहीं बनता
अभी कुछ है ही नहीं S1 डन S2 डन डन जी डन डन
रविंद्र निंजा वगैरह पोजीशन ट्रेडिंग का कोई चार्ज से नहीं करते
नहीं नहीं पैसे अकाउंट होने चाहिए ना बस
हमें जेडी मर्जी मार्केट है भाਵੇਂ गोल्ड हो जो मर्जी हो
या जो मर्जी करें सर पैसे हों तो उनको परवाह ही करें
सब नहीं आ रहे आजकल
नहीं मंडे ਨੂੰ ਆਣਗੇ ਉਹ ਮੂਵਿੰਗ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ
घर बुक कर
हाँ
यार लेकिन इनके पास प्रॉब्लम ऐसा जीवा है कि नहीं होंगे वो आपका लगाई
corner of
That was not okay.
over acre yard, and then we have room, and so really, this people's gonna have space, I am always doing this sort of thing, so that feels good for them.
Absolutely. And the cool thing about your story and about the method is that we offer this approach that kind of shatters the mainstream narrative. Zero copy has been stages for a large
बड़ी तेजी से लेके गए जी ऑलमोस्ट पिवट पे ले आए
team for doing farming at various scale from 3-acre market gardens to 60-acre tree driven and vegetable farms. Grows were traditionally our most desired form of growing.
खलोती नहीं ये सुनी कितने खलोती आ
नहीं नहीं जाएंगे वो वापस ले गए जी ऑलमोस्ट 37 पिवट पे थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाने में पिवट पे भी रुकनी चाहिए वैसे टेक्निकली
It kind of changes your whole mindset. In market gardening, we would call this the biointensive method, where you kind of break the standard spacing where they get mixed closer together. So with the square foot method, the first question people ask is, does every plant need a full square foot, or is this a plot by plot basis? Now, if you could give us your checkerboard analogy to explain before the show, I'd really like that.
Yeah, absolutely. So I guess really the first step in school foot gardening is that instead of trying to fill up the ground or pipe in the ground, we use raised beds. And typically we recommend people use like a 4 foot by 4 foot raised bed because anyone can reach in 2 feet from either side. And the nice thing about that is kind of more extensively, but the spacing is nice. And this is when you're
ले गए जी वापस all the way नाइट लो से नाइट हाई
separating out the walking path or the horse path.
गुड मॉर्निंग जी वाले साहब क्या हाल चाल
So all kinds of those in the every day, and then you have you can walk in the woods.
Nice. I love that. The easy access is so important. And you mentioned when you first started to start the garden, you started on that basketball court with the concrete basis, and you said your knees weren't wanting to play basketball anymore. Does that mean that
I'm inside R2
elevate the growing thing off the ground to help your back and your knees while you're actually
upper range 77 से मैंने इधर R1 है इधर R2 कुछ लिया
एक पॉइंट देता है
Yes, it's done. Couple of points got it.
1.5 पॉइंट देखें तो
Qatar.
Katie, I've got a couple of Coke here. I need to grill it, and then I'll get one. Quick as you can, please.
I say, with vision benefits, it's because it's no cost to you.
400 से 620. अब मैं एंटर हुआ हूँ किसी अकाउंटों में. Let's see. And I entered it now.
ES और NASDAQ
Yes, मैं top range से 80, 81. हाँ, night low से night high. My God. 91 है जी हमारा night high.
डेमो हाँ तो नया ईमेल बनाए ना ईमेल नहीं बन रहा उसका एक ईमेल बनाओ अभी हॉटमेल पे अच्छा
R2 का वेट कर रहा हूँ जी मैं. R2 का अपर रेंज ऑफ R1 टेस्ट हो ही गई. लिया कुछ
81 तो एंटर है
ES था.
हाँ जी
मैं 8075 थे. लिया कुछ.
हाँ फुल लेवल
ठीक है जी.
Perfect. Yeah, that sounds like an absolutely perfect blend because you get drainage, you get a
लेकिन आपने बढ़िया दे रही थी 4 माइक्रोन में देगी बढ़िया इसमें ले
like how they benefit the small so
Absolutely. S2 से सीधा
कल वाला याद हो रहा है जरा volatility. हाँ जी R2 की तरफ जा रही है. अभी टाइम लगेगा. It's got big pullback. So huge.
I love that you finished that because I actually just spent quite a bit of time here in Canada on my way to Alaska last winter. And I was walking around thinking, what do you do? I regularly territory in Alaska. And once you see how it it's almost like a mossy, but not like the federal.
ES wants to go to 85. 85 तक जाना चाहिए ES को. Top of the box. लो जी.
He has the 91 है ना? हाँ.
मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ ES का 90 तक.
One time I think I think about 50 dollars and the things to be very salty even if it's too much. And then of course they've got to load it on a ship and there goes the equipment and that big ship hauling this stuff across to us. And you mentioned something about the and that's one of the things that people need, Finland. So let's talk about the profit. That's really, I don't even know if Noah had the information in there to get to my trial and error. They came up with the fact that it wants to run. But I'll benefit from this emergency situation, everything in the grocery. And think about a rate table and you put star in it. Imagine that as a jar full of marble. And marbles are your coil particle. So in between the marble is just kind of coil. And that's where you have water and air and infiltrate them. So what happens is if you have nutrients that you have now you have a problem of those nutrients washing out, you got the algae. Now if you think about the model the color particle negative many of the
Another ES mid-band was okay. ES कहाँ से गई है? 37 से 85 तक blink of an eye. और वो गई है 400 से.
He has the middle वाले number जो मैं लिया सी उसकी 2.3
अच्छा.
78.5.
At that perspective, besides other things that no, that's not the city.
Congratulations. C3 PA 5 year done. Very good.
But really, if you want to maximize the harvest, you just optimize the nutrition. That's something you can do.
Absolutely. I love that you got into the very soil science of it. I was as well. It's sounds like this big intimidating chemistry word, but we all know that higher holding on to their as well as and where all these different types of body, plant material, plant animal material that are deep in the soil actually become more magnet for nutrients and that all that. So explain why, I mean, of course, we think that's why that's so important. The garden and smaller space and less soil, plants into that bed. So why does your specific plant later to the square foot that big compared to using that as well?
Well, let's get the other two components.
Not ready. Well, not ready. After life, abandon to not.
ठीक है.
ठीक चल रहा है. It's not like a lot. और पता नहीं, I got out of break even twice.
590 है.
बस अब हो गया.
So there's kind of your concern about
Where did it go this morning? Around 622. 25, 625, 25, 400.
something about 150, 200. And a lot of people talk about using toilet instead of the manipulate. So unfortunately, so we do get toilet is 1.5. So manipulate is 100
MES just R2 wait करे 60 90 पेजी पहला stop 96 and then R2 for 690. I'm not taking 690 to 700. So if you look at the area, I'm waiting for R2 now to sell.
Baba ji.
Down there, people, it's 100% contact. All these square foot there, if you just say, well, that's the answer. You can go second and dealers, the two components, but if you don't use one and you can't find it, that's not it.
Irresistibly smooth landing. For your holiday moments.
What's that? It's just actually quickly. You want it, right? It's too late. I've chosen this life. Actually, did you have the butter? It's something.
Give yourself the gift of technology this holiday with the Kia Seltos. Easily share with friends and family. Give yourself more of what you want with the Kia Seltos. And with a $500 holiday bonus this season. Here, you can do that.
Sponsor सकता थे हम की
I love that. And that's so intriguing, what you mentioned about the like. I actually also used to farm in northern Montana, not far, a couple hours from Libya. And I knew about the disaster farm there, but I didn't know about the vermiculite. Now it makes sense why vermiculite is molecularly big, but it's still completely natural material. And now it is, of course, effective free of mining expenses, and it has that like physical drainage. So all of these components together, preventing root rot, ensuring germination, and keeps water through the bed so that you don't end up having soggy heavy soil.
Right, it they help with drainage, but also, kind of think of the soil as damp sponge. When you stick a sponge under the faucet and you kind of squeeze it out, it's still kind of damp, so it's got moisture in it, but it's not just dripping wet. Peat moss, for example, can hold 5 times its weight in water. Well, you would just throw it rain, but it also holds on.
Absolutely. So
Done.
three of the market combination. So
Done.
so 50 years would have been pushing out more about state. Because, the main concern about it is really a concept. We need the soil, we need the rate that we get that. Very increased appreciation to that soil.
Absolutely, and that's kind of the thing that you get the data, that you know this, which we just talked about the benefits of, and you keep going and they
भाई साहब एक मिनट ये हेल्प कर सकती हो
जी बोलो
ये मेरा जो चार्ट है ना ये ठीक नहीं है
आप तीन से करवा दो ना
वो है नहीं
आप ये बनवा आ जाएंगे बहुत सी मिल जाएगी
now, what you do, instead of planting roads or kind of like a tomato or here or some of the things, you take one square foot at a time and plant one particular vegetable in each one. And we all know that when you get your seeds from the plant, that was one sort of so, gardening, not necessarily just instead of planting them in the river, I'm thinking and putting it in. But the next thing about that is,
मैं भी फंस गई है
Huh?
मैं भी
How?
guys on so
Did you see the new video that I sent?
कौन सी
I love that. For one, you don't have to understand in those spaces where
Hello. Did you see the video I sent yesterday?
Yes, yes.
ऐसे मान का बड़ी चनी पाई है पानी को
And also, क्या मैं 11:30 तक जा सकती हूँ? मुझे काम है.
Yeah, no problem.
I will come back by 12:30.
No problem.
नो
ठीक है?
बिल्कुल वो नहीं है ये यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन मेरी पड़ती है पूरी
ये थोड़ी कि पापा मैं
हाँ।
करता हूँ जो मर्जी के
ऐसे नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता यहाँ तो फिर खाना खिलाना पड़ेगा
मैं खाना ले आऊंगी.
रिश्वत देनी पड़ेगी
आप हो जाइए या आप जाओ.
जा रहा हूँ.
अच्छा कंटिन्यू
अच्छा हो गया, करा दिए यार, बहुत ट्रेड करा दिए.
नहीं उनका
वो
टैब
चार्ट कर दे ऐसे इनका
I see, so, spring or anything, and so, all vegetables. It's gonna be not a super precise, but it's so.
Really, all we want is just a diversity of roots, a diversity of roots in the soil, fueling that diverse, rich soil microbiome, and ensuring that we have healthy ecosystem happening below ground and above ground to prevent disease, right? Just going by the season, you're basically getting that pale thing without having to remember all the, again, rules. I like those terms regarding kind of like breaking the rules in a way. I think with some of the mainstream stuff we've been told about that.
Do you want a card?
It's doing, I've chosen this life.
Basically, it teaches the point. It's a new numbers of the years.
अब साਡਾ बड़ा ਕੰਮ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੰਦ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਫਟਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਕਰਕੇ ਬੰਦ ਕੀਤਾ
You get coverage anywhere in one place. Go to getinsurance.ca.
ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਨ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ
ਹਾਂ
It kind of breaks the rules, but that's really, if you think it's kind of just looking at the rules in a different way.
I like that. Yeah, that is a good one. And he made a.
ਸਿੰਗਲ ਸਿੰਗਲ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਬੰਦ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੋ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਇਆ
ਹਾਂ ਸਿੰਗਲ
ਉਹ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਬਣਾ
Is that how you keep them within the square?
Yeah, well, that's a really good point. Now that if you have 4x4 fruit chairs, I think if you have more room, that's part of the 1 and 2. Now I've got 12. You can put them in. So as long as you have the room.
ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਨੇ ਬੱਚਾ ਦਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਖਤਮ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੀਨਮ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਉਹ
I think the collision conduit, electrical conduit, and you get bird netting and iron in. You can put that up there. The only thing they have to keep in mind is
वही वाला ठीक है मैं तो I'm turning off live stream guys. I'm a little bit tired, so I gotta go. So what is left on the table? R2 and R3. So two numbers, 690 is good and 800 is good. There's no more buying. Everything is done from the bottom side. So see you guys. Take care. I gotta go.
So that really command put the shade on the rest of the 525. And part of it was it was still inside and then finds the low upper flow to still get sun. I go